Okay, so I'm working on a really large, like, full-scale size gearbox that doesn't use, like, the normal Lego clutches, because those aren't really realistic. So I decided to try and design my own clutch. This is what I've come up with. Now, if it's not connected, it spins relay, and this axle would be the driven side, the output, and the gear that would come in this way, or whatever way, off this tan gear coming into that would be the input. But let's say we have a linkage here that moves this forward, right? Then this axle would then spin right here and then switch off. And then I would just need to mirror this part right here. I only have one of these old turntable pieces though, so I'm gonna have to wait till I get some more. But it's a pretty solid concept. The only thing that I'm kind of sad about is that because the old turntable has these right here, which are necessary, they overhang a little bit right here. So you can't actually stick a gear all the way through. It actually gets stopped right here, even without these things here. So you can't have a timing gear in between, but it works pretty well. Like it works fine enough, so I'm pretty happy with it. I'm quite proud of how I got it to work here. It's literally perfect, like within centimeters of the mold, not even centimeters, millimeters of these little molds here, and it's like flush on here. So I'm really happy with how this clutch turned out, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned to when I maybe finish an actual full gearbox in this. I don't know if I'll ever actually get around to ordering more of these, because they might be quite expensive. I haven't actually looked, but they're the old turntable, so yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.